lesson, we are going to be working with our cramp rolls. Step, step, heel drop, heel drop. Now, we did it kind of slow and nice and even and never too late. We are going to be syncopating some things now. So instead of going step, step, heel, heel, it's going to be step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel. We're going to be adding some arms and claps to this combination as well. So you're not just going to be working with your feet, you'll be working with your hands, your arms, and your feet. Try it. The cramp roll is step, step, heel, heel. Step, step, heel, heel. Step, step, heel, heel. Step, step, heel, heel. Okay, so those are nice and slow. We are not going to be doing them this slow. They're going to be more like step, step, heel, heel. 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 So you're going to do 2 cramp rolls, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, and then you're going to do some sugars. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to do the cramp rolls again, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, and then the sugars again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so putting that together, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you've got the feet, this is the section that I would really like to see some arms. So you are, and I know you can't really see very much of my body here. It's very limited. But on the first cramp roll, you are going to bring your arms up over your head and clap on that last heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. And then you're going to do the arms down on the second cramp roll and clap low. Toe, toe, heel, heel. So it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4. On your sugars, you're going to take your arms out to the side. You're going to do jazz hands, and you're going to do what we call sparkle them. So you're going to sort of quiver those hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. And they come up a little bit with each sugar. So putting that together, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8. Leave the hands up. You're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you can just let those hands drop down. Okay, one more time. Cramp roll sugars. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, on the sugar with the arms, you want to kind of smooth it out. You don't want it to jerk. A lot of times people with each step, they'll kind of jerk their arms up, and you don't want that to happen. You want to gradually take them up with each step. If you've got the feet and you want to add the arms, but the arms are too much for you, leave the claps off. Just go arms up and down and sugar. Move them up and down and sugar. And once you've got that and you're feeling very comfortable with that, then go ahead and add the clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Five, 6, 7, 8.